Magic का बहुत देर बाद में इसको तो पुराना है
Team managers, coach, and archers, it is confirmed that there is no shooter. There is no shooter. So now you can go home and see you tomorrow at the individual elimination. Okay, thank you very much for today and have a good night.